Hi, this is Hayden Cardiff here for another 60 Seconds of Safety. And today, which is part 3 of our 4-part series, we're going to dive into in-cab training your drivers. And fleets often use this for a very personalized way to and very effective way to train your drivers, because you're getting that one-on-one engagement while the driver is actually in that cab driving that vehicle. And so there's two main ways that this happens. One is going out on their route with them, and so you can coach in the moment, but also you can pull the driver out and have them run through a different obstacle course or different skills course there at your terminal. And so these are both very, very effective ways, and you get oftentimes some of your best coaching for your drivers, but also it is very time consuming. So use this as one of the many tools in your toolbox because it doesn't scale. But again, it is an incredibly helpful piece that you should definitely think about and use within your training programs. So all that being said, if you want to take a deeper dive into things that we've talked about this week or in past weeks, or also get a sneak peek of what we're looking at next week in our 60 seconds, we just put out a blog on how to train your drivers and go through all these different pieces as well. So thank you again for listening. This has been another 60 Seconds of Safety.